Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation and Americans everywhere, I have a major announcement to make, which is, in all candor, earth-shattering as it relates to the Durrani litigation. Deters Law represents 580 victims of Dr. Atik Durrani. Last Thursday, Judge Michael Barrett, a federal judge in the Southern District of Ohio, issued a ruling on Medical Protective's motion to dismiss, which is allowing to go forward now a fraud and civil conspiracy to commit fraud against Medical Protective. And what this relates to is Medical Protective's fraud and conspiracy to commit fraud and manufacturing a lack of cooperation defense from Dr. Durrani to avoid insurance coverage that would apply to these 580 victims. It is a monumental victory. What this means is discovery can now take place, depositions, document production, so forth and so on. There'll be a scheduling order that'll go on that will probably allow discovery to take place for about about a year, and it'll be set for trial after the discovery process and some more times on motions. These victims have endured an incredible amount from the hands of Dr. Durrani and the hospitals and the court system, but now also the insurance company. It's truly remarkable. Medical Protective has never made one single offer for one single case. And you know why? Because they fraudulently were setting up a lack of cooperation defense. We're going to win this case. It's my humble opinion that this might be the largest case against a medical insurance company, I know in the history of the Cincinnati area, maybe in the country. Medical Protective is a wholly owned company by Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett. They're out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. They're the largest insurance company of medical doctors. They get $1 billion a year in premiums. They have billions in assets. This was a huge victory for these victims, and they deserve it. The whole basis for Medical Protective not to pay these claims has been based upon a fraud, which we will now expose. On behalf of all the Durrani victims that Deters Law represents, we thank Judge Barrett for the decision. It was the right decision, and we look forward to moving forward on this case. It is really earth-shattering. We'll send this out to all the media and all the press, and we'll see if anybody does a story about it. They generally don't. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Have a great day.